In this instructional video, we're going to cover on how to create a zip file, look at the file size before and after compression, why it's good to compress files, and how to unzip the file. Before we get started, I'm going to briefly introduce the side effect of compressing files. Zipping the files compresses the amount of memory that the file allocates. The zip file algorithm makes this happen in the background. As a result, compressed files can be transferred quicker to other computers, unlike uncompressed files. So to create a zip file, we're going to go anywhere in the background where there's no file and left click. We're going to go down to New. A pane opens up. Go down to Compressed folder. As you can see, whatever is highlighted, since it's highlighted, we take advantage of this and name the file something we want. Here I am going to name it Demo Instructional. Then once you're done naming the file, hit enter. Now the file is named. Now we can verify that this folder here should be empty by double right clicking on the file to open it up. So you can see it says right here, this folder is empty. What we want to do is grab the file that you want to get compressed. What you could do is you could right click, hold, drag, drop it in the folder. As you can see now, it says compressing. Now if you look at this folder, the demo instructional zip folder, you can see that the file that you want is inside the zip folder. To double check, we can close this off and reopen the zip file folder that we made. As you can see, the file is inside. Now I would like to compare the size of the files side by side. First, we are going to left click the original folder that you wanted to get compressed. This is the original file, so you left click, go down to property, move this up. So you can see here the size. This is the size of the file. Now we're going to do the same with the compressed file. We're going to left click. We're going to go down to properties, right click that, put these side by side, and as you can see, the size of the compressed file is 4 times smaller than the original file. Now we are going to learn how to unzip a zip file. You could either double click it open, grab the file and drop it on the desktop. It's asking me to replace it because my original file is the same. I'm going to click this off because I do not want to replace my original file. But another way you could do is extract all, which is up here. And this file could be extracted to this folder, which is a regular folder that'll be created after it extracts the file from the zip folder. And down here it says show extracted files when complete. That means that the unzipped file is going to open, the folder is going to open after the uncompression is done. So as you can see, the file got created when it got uncompressed. And this is the same, this is the folder. Now if we go to properties, you can see that the file went back to its original size.